Bless up, guys. Welcome back to the channel again. You see me? You know what this? You know what this is? This is soursop, and this is the first soursop off our tree in years. Long time the tree is planted, and at the first one this I say blossom after then drop off. One company about 2 years ago, yes, company it and get black and drop off. Well, this is the first one, so when you can leave in the comment section and tell me what we can do to make them stay on. Right now the tree full of blossom, and all them do a drop off. Yes, so I make some soursop juice, Jamaican style. Yeah, so I want to know. Stay tuned, guys. Leave a like on the video. Leave a comment down below and tell me how you prepare food no soursop juice. Yeah, man, I'm going to share the video. Share it out, man. Share it out. Get people to know about me and know about the channel. Subscribe and subscribe it. Make sure you subscribe and touch the bell. Put it on all. Follow the IG. J876 and Yat's Adventures. Link for your page them in the description. So just scroll along, click it and give me a follow. You see me? Yeah, man, that's the right. People, how them prepare for them soursop juice, because they don't drink milk. They just use sugar and lime. Right? But because me love milk and me love the milky vibe to the soursop, and put milk in it, I don't know that spice of it. You can put vanilla in it. I add vanilla, but now nutmeg do. But nutmeg definitely can go in it. You can throw 1 dragon in it, see and speed, you see me? Yeah, man. So I just, you know, I put whatever you want in it, but me not put no dragon in it because I want the original taste. 100% taste. I don't want change the taste too much. I want the straight soursop taste. Yeah, man. Backla type on the tree because then say a backla water on it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just enough soursop. See there? Blossom. See? We never see it in the dark, but not blossom like tree, man. Right there, so this is chop it up. We chop it. I think it's a drive nearly night. And they have needed already. Try enough things to them say. Alright, guys, so I'm going to soursop now. I don't know say we're separate the meaty part, the fruity part from the skin. So I want to have the skin and everything, because I don't know, so I touch the skin and touch the fruity part. Yes, so I have to get it washed off properly. Okay, guys, so we have the milk. Don't know buttermilk. And there's some vanilla. I don't know, soon we go buy vanilla retail at the shop. Yeah, man, so there's some of it, it's a remainder. Yeah, man, so that's everything I put now in the soursop juice today. Nice. Yeah, spoon, scrape it out. This is also nice to eat. Don't know, say, have a taste piece. I swear. Can make soursop juice and taste. This soursop raw. The nicest thing. It and sweet sap, I don't know, soursop and sweet sap. A family them, you know. Breadfruit, you have breadfruit, soursop, sweet sop, jackfruit, what them look alike. And this is similar, like, alright, yeah. I would say that, guys, breadfruit and them are like a same family to them. Like a fish, a different species of fish, and birds, yeah, man. Come down to me if you agree with the kind of one there. Don't know a blender, you know. Some water nice, I know. Blending time. Don't know, that's alright. You're not going too much, start to know. That's straining time, I know. Straining time. See? Thick and nice, start to add a little water to this. I'm not straining. Otherwise, it takes me a fight to strain. So, add some water to it and then strain it. Nice. So what's up, juice, guys? Look at it thick. See? Thick. It's not going to strain. Maybe we can eat a little bit more blending. Yeah, man, guys, so this is it. So, time now to strain. See? Add some water, so straining time. Can you thick again? Now this can go to the strain now. Easy. You can have it thick same way, so like when it's still in the blender. Why tomorrow morning I do it the same way after I strain. Alright guys, so finish strain now. This is the waste from the sauce up. That sauce up here about 2 pounds. Yeah man. And see the seeds them. Yeah. What you guys can do, you know, and then buy a sauce up again. When you can throw the seeds them, can throw everything, some cool. And hopefully you will get a sauce up tree. Yeah man. Cause you might get lucky and one of them burst. Yeah. And so I throw in the vanilla. And the vanilla, so I throw everything in it. Yeah. And the milk. Some people don't like using milk, you know. Some people can use ginger, lime and sugar. I don't know, so some people can't drink milk. Yeah. And if I don't drink sauce juice after your life gone. In Jamaica, if I don't drink something or don't eat something nice, what I say, after your life gone. So if I don't drink sauce juice, after your life gone, because sauce juice all the nicest juice. You know, well cool, so good. So see that kind of know. I know what sauce up too long, you know, so I want it thick and nice. Yeah man, the milky and nice. So this one I'm going to put your nose so my taste it, see if it's sweet enough. Yeah guys, so smell some in a cup here. I'm gonna drink some right now. Yeah man, see? Up ice night and all that, so I'm gonna drink some and eat with a cinnamon roll, honey bun cinnamon roll. Nice stuff this. You see me? I'm gonna shell on this and hopefully the video can go up today when Tuesday. Yeah. Right now I'm having some Wi-Fi issues, so that's when the video gonna drop from week. So hopefully the video can go up today. Yeah. So definitely stay tuned again guys for our next video. I'm say enough more videos like that forward. So just subscribe and stay tuned, share the video, give video a like, comment and tell me how on the love phone source up juice, and follow the IG link below. Click the link, scroll down, click it on bio and follow. You see me? Yeah man, so peace.